So tonight's project is head gasket and associated gaskets for the second time on the taxi. And finish off tidying up the Cortina. She's looking pretty tidy, but we can get it a bit tidier than that. Over this way a bit, Chris. Quite shiny now, polished it. Hello? Should remember you did it last time. How long ago since we did the head gasket on this?
10 minutes ago?
4 years ago?
4 or 5 years.
5 years ago?
You've got a video of it somewhere. Daddy taking photographs.
Hey Bo, you know what you're doing. Do you want to fix this? You were a puppy last time, weren't you, nearly?
Do a better job than your dad.
Oh, that's not true. Not true. I'm sure we took the radiator out and I can't think why.
I'm not sure whether we did.
Well, maybe we took it out at some point. I don't think we need to take the head off.
It's almost a burgundy.
I don't know what colour it is, but we could do the bit of touch-up paint.
It's R2.
R2. Looking good now, though. Not going to take it outside in this weather yet, though. How's my head looking?
Broken.
Where's that?
I do believe you're after a lever bar there.
It's deja vu on this thing. Where's Harry gone?
Over here.
Another one in the bar. About 10 years ago.
When did we change that gasket last? Go on, Chris.
It's not really not.
It's not moving.
Really.
Oh, yes!
Hello.
It's going, it's going.
Yeah,
Excited.
go. You want one each side or do you want to do it that way?
That's it, and the front.
Yes, this corner. Something catching at the back.
Something for the ladies.
Get off my crack. I've got a hole in my boxes, look.
Woo! Get that head off.
Whoa, fuck off.
So I assume, are they going to stay? No.
Yeah, it's going.
What's going to stay? Oh, no,
Nothing.
Nothing's going to stay.
It's all going to go.
Yeah, these bolts here are going to stay, aren't they?
Harry, help. Come here. Come here. Get in there. What's this? What's this? It's right. Come in. Brilliant. Now what we can do with it?
I think the gasket was a little bit
Gasket's
tighter.
a bit tapered. Yeah, that was new second-hand when I put it on. At least this one is proper new.
Good job.
Lovely. Hey, is it a hole in that piston?
No, it's just
Water.
water.
Is it heavy, eh?
Where do you want
This
this?
bench over here. Yeah, not on the boot of the Cortina. There you go, fire him on there. Upside down if you can, have a look. Have to clean it up, I don't know. Where would it have been coming out? This side?
Yeah, I think so.
Ah, look. That's quite rusty there. I'll give it a good clean up and see.
Now, because there's water in that ball.
I found a can of gunk from the about 1960s, I think.
Yeah, you could be right. Actually,
We use that to clean it up a bit.
That could be just where we've taken the head off and it's just
I'll sprinkle a bit of this in there. I'll wipe it around with the brush.
That's a good job there.
That'll be fine. That's such a nostalgic smell. Old gunk.
Oh, look at that.
Breathe. Oh yeah, get all that out of there.
Give it a good
milky, didn't it?